Hello everyone, how you doing? I hope you're doing well. My name is Jose and welcome back to my ePitomesketch YouTube channel. In this video, I will be answering a few of the questions that I found on my video, how to set up XP Pen tablet to work with Photoshop, and I'll start answer the questions on chronological order. So the first question was from Poetry Akash Sagar, and he asked me to show him how to download the XP Pen tablet drivers. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and answer the question from Poetry. So in order for you to download the XP Pen tablet drivers, you need to get access to the internet and also access to a web browser. In my case, I'm using Microsoft Edge, and once you open up your browser, you can write www.xppen.com, and it will take you to this website. In this website, you are going to go into product. Here on products, you're going to choose one of these tablets. Just make sure that you know what tablet you're using. In my case, right now, I'm using Deco 3, so I'm going to Deco Series tablet. So just click on this Deco Series tablet or an icon of the tablet itself, and this should redirect you to a different page. Now on this page right here, if you look down or scroll down, you should be able to find the tablet that you're using at the moment. In my case, I'm using Deco 3 wireless tablet, so I'm going to click on this icon, and this will take me to the next page. It is in this page that we're going to locate the driver. As you can see, if you go into to the top of this page, this website, there's this menu bar where you can do the product and stuff, and below that there's overview, specification, and drivers. Now this is where we're going to locate the driver that we want to use with this particular tablet. Once you click on driver, you should have be directed to this download page. And here on the download page, if you scroll down, you're going to find different software and drivers options for different operating system. In my case, I'm using Windows 10, and so I'm wanting to scroll down and locate Windows 10. These drivers here work also for Windows 7 and Windows 8 as well. So there's two option drivers here. One is the official driver, which is the main driver that XP Pen offers, and there's the beta driver. Now this beta driver is the one I prefer to use because it has a much simplified UI, but just in case, I would like to download both and maybe show you the difference between them. Anyway, if you want to get the official one, you simply click on download, and this should download the driver file onto your download folder, into your desktop or whatever your download folder is located. And you can do the same to the UI bed driver. And this is how you get access to the driver. So just go to the website to locate your tablet, and then click on download to download your driver. Now on the left corner, on the left side of this page, there is a manual instructions, and there is some other version of the Deco 3 manuals in different language. And so if you want to get familiar with some of the specs on the driver itself or the application or on the interface and stuff like that, then you might want to take a look at these manuals. But sometimes I found them to not be very useful. So this is how you get the driver. In case you want to just go back, in case you want to choose a different driver for different tablet, then you can go back to products, and here on the products you select, let's say you're using let's say one of these star G something, right? Let me click on this, and as you can see, this is the PH2 or whatever it's called. I'm not using this tablet at the moment, so but it works the same. You're just going to scroll down, and you're going to find your find your tablet that you're using. Like let's say you're using this one. I believe this one is also wireless, so you can click on this one, and it should take you again to this page where you can, on the top of this page where you can see specification, then driver, and then you can click on that driver, and it will take you again to the download page. In here you can also locate your operating system, and then you can choose one of uh, these drivers. Usually the driver for XP Pen tablets should be the same. The thing that would change is the specs and the interface of the tablet. Anyway, now that you know how to get access and download your driver, let me show you guys how to install it. So let me minimize this page, and then let me locate the download folder on my laptop, and I was just going to this PC, my downloads, and I'm going to open this. These two folders right here are the driver that I just download. As you can see, this one, the XP Pen driver 1.6.4 is the official one. If you double click to open, you should have opened the zip file. Now you should have this executable file. Now you can either drag and drop this to your desktop, or you can simply double click on it to install straight from the zip folder. I'm just going to show straight from the zip folder, so I'm just going to double click on the executable file, and I should have pop out a warning to say that if I agree and I want to accept this application to continue. Now, once the application completes, you should have the icon on a desktop. And if you don't find the icon on a desktop, you should be able to find the desktop bar. And then here you can open up this top arrow and locate the hidden applications on your on your operating system. And here you can see the small icon, pen tablet icon. And if you double click on that, you should be able to open the driver. And this is how the interface of the driver looks like. Okay, now I believe that at this point that should be enough to answer the question from the Mr. Poetry Akash Sagar on how to download the driver from the XP Pen website. And I'll also leave the driver itself already on the my link on the description, so that if you can get access to the website, you can always download the zip folder from the link on the description of this YouTube video. Anyway, I hope that helped you, Mr. Sagar. And if you have any questions, please let me know on the comment section below. Okay, now we're going to go to the next question, and it's from jinx snipe. I don't know if I'm saying this right, but I will leave the comment on the screen later on. So he asked me, or she asked me, does this work with the XP Pen Deco 1 version 2? Just in case I'm answering wrong, but I believe, sorry, I believe that the interface itself, the driver itself, is the same for all XP Pen products. And the only thing that would change in here is how your tablets looks like. But just in case I'm doing wrong, so let's go ahead and verify this by going to the website again. In this case, we're going to locate what's the name of deco 1. So I believe that it's supposed to be on the deco series tablets. So I'm going to click on this one, and on here I'm going to locate the products. So it's supposed to be deco 1 version 2, so it's supposed to be this one. Now in this case, I don't have deco 1 version 2, but I believe that the driver doesn't change much. Okay, Now this is the deco 1 version 2. You can scroll down and see the specs of it. I'm also going to start doing some reviews on these tools and to see what they have to offer. And then I'm going to driver. Here on the driver, as you guys can see, for Windows, let me scroll down a bit more. For Windows, the driver is the same. I'm just going to the download so I can show you. You can see XP Pen Windows 1.6.4, okay, and you can see Windows 1.6.4. So the driver will be the same. There's not going to be a change if you have if you are using Deco 1 version 2. Okay, the only thing that's going to change is the appearance and the specs of your tablet. So I hope that answered the question for Michi Jinx Snipe. Yes, does this work with XP Pen Deco 1 version 2? Yes, this driver will work with all Deco series, at least from the from XP Pen tablets. So I hope that helps you. And if you have any question, please let me know on the comments section below. Now, moving on. Next question will be from Bob Jenkers. I hope I pronounced you guys' name right. He asked me, do you know how to turn on left-handed mode with this version of the tablet? I've looked everywhere, but it's all out of date, and the official guide is basically useless. Okay, now if you're using Deco 3 series, the one I'm using right now, it should have a wheel and 6 buttons, and the tablet should be this I will say square, I don't know, rectangle shape, and it should have an area for working about 10 inches or 10.5 inches. Okay, for Mr. Bob Jenkers, I hope I say it your name right. Now, if you can see the tablet right now on this window that show the representation of the tablet, there's a x and y direction, there's a width and a height, and there's these angles. Okay, if you want to change the painting mode, okay, for the tablet, if you are left-handed, then you will toggle between this angle. For left hand is 180 degree. When you click 180 degree, you're going to have your tablet facing the wheel of your tablet facing down into the right side of your tablet. This will allow you to use your right hand to maneuver your wheel, okay, and your shortcut buttons, and your left hand to paint. So this is the mode that you want to use if you are left hand person. Um, if you're someone that likes to paint on the cell phone and want to use your tablet surface to interact with your cell phone, then you're going to choose between 90 degree or 270 degree. Now, the 270 degree is for right-handed people. If you are right-handed and you're using your tablet surface as a to work with your cell phone, then you're going to use 270 degrees for right hand. That way you can use your left handed to maneuver your wheel and your shortcut buttons while you're painting with your right hand. If you want to do the same but you are left handed, then you're going to choose 90 degrees. That way you can use your right handed to move your wheel and access your shortcut keys while you're using your left handed to paint. So if you are right-handed, you can just, and you're doing painting with a computer, then you use the 0. If you're left-handed and you use in a computer, then you use 180 degrees. If you are right-handed and you use in a cell phone to paint, then you use 270 degrees. If you are left-handed and you use in a phone, then you use 90 degrees. And this how you change the painting mode for XP Paint tablets. I hope that helped you and that answered your question. So if you have any other question, please let me know on the comment section below. So I'm going to move to the next question. So let me see here. Due to the time constraint, I'm going to stop here and make and continue answer the question on next video. I don't want this video to be too long. So I see you guys on the next video for further questions. So thank you for watching. And if you like the video, please leave a thumbs up, subscribe, and comment. I thank you.